Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Thank you for being here in the 9th International Conference Liga Ilmu Serantau 2023. My name is Jasmine Hanis binti Abdullah and I'm from Polytechnic Merlimau, and today I would like to present my research paper on acoustic panel using coconut fiber and mineral wool. An acoustic panel, also known as a sound panel, is a specialized device designed to improve the acoustic of a room by reducing reverberation and controlling sound reflection. They are commonly used in various settings such as recording studios, home theaters, conference rooms, auditoriums, offices, and other spaces where sound quality and noise control are essential. The primary purpose of acoustic panel is to absorb sound waves and prevent them from bouncing around the room. Okay, using green or environmentally friendly materials for acoustic panels is a great way not only improve sound quality but also contribute to sustainable and eco-friendly practices. Choosing green materials not only benefits the environment but also support the development of sustainable products and practice in the construction and design industry. Therefore, this study focuses to identify the effectiveness of the production of sound-absorbing panels using two green materials, namely coconut fiber and mineral wool. Mineral wool is a type of insulation material made from natural or synthetic minerals. It is commonly used in construction and industrial application to provide thermal and acoustic insulation. Coconut fiber, also known as coir, it is a natural fiber extracted from the outer husk of the coconuts. It is a versatile material with various applications due to its durability, strength, and eco-friendly nature. Combining mineral wool and coconut fiber in an acoustic panel can be an effective way to create a panel with enhanced sound-absorbing properties while incorporating eco-friendly and sustainable materials. Both mineral wool and coconut fiber are known for their sound absorption capabilities, and their combination can offer a more balanced and versatile acoustic solution. This is the objective of this research. Firstly is to get the best composition to produce sound absorbing panels using coconut fiber and mineral wool. Secondly, to test durability of the panel using coconut fiber and mineral wool. And the third one is to determine the sound absorption rate on the acoustic panel using coconut fiber and mineral wool. And now, this is how we prepare the material before we do the impedance and compression tests. Firstly, we dry the coconut fiber under the sunlight and then clean the coconut fiber, and then we chop the coconut fiber into the mineral wool until smooth, and we mix together coconut fiber and mineral wool according to the ratio that we have been set. And then we add 0.5 milliliter of PVC glue to mix and combining mineral wool and coconut fiber, and then we put into the mold and let it dry. After that, we do the impedance tube test, and this is how we do the impedance test. This is the material and the software has been used, and then we do the compression test. Both tests has been tested in the University Technology Melaka, and the sample has been given, and after we get the data, and then we analyze the data based on the 3 sample that has been set. This is the product design of our acoustic panel. it's a rectangular size, and then this is how we get the result, and this is the result from the impedance test. The 3 ratio that has been set is 7:3, which is 7 for coconut fiber and 3 for mineral wool. Okay, this is for the sample for 5:5, and then this the result for sample 4:6. According to the sample and according to the data, maximum absorption coefficient for 3 sample are 0.92 for ratio 7:3, and absorption for sample 5:5 is 0.91, and absorption for sample 4:6 0.95. And based on the data, we found that the 3 sample has obtained the frequency pass best absorption for 0.5, meaning the 3 sample pass the absorption 0.5 effectiveness test. 3 of the sample considerable very effective because they already pass the noise reduction coefficient 0.5 to 0.8, which is considerable as high coefficient. And this is the data that has been produced from this compression test. Based on this data, sample for 7:3 get the 2063 megapascal for compression test, and the 5:5 sample get 1974 compression tests, and for sample 4:6 get the highest compression test, which is 2286 megapascal. So based on the impedance tube test and data analysis shows that the sample with ratio 4:6, which is 4 for coconut coir or coconut fiber and 6 for mineral wool, has successfully absorbed sound frequency with the highest absorption coefficient rate 0.95 at the frequency 1000 Hz compared to the sample 7:3 and 5:5. As for the compression test, the sample with ratio 4:6 can reach a pressure up to 2286 megapascal. The result from the impedance test and data compression tests show that both of these produce good sound absorption and were suitable in making acoustic panel. Although this acoustic panel is produced from recycled materials such as coconut fiber and mineral wool, this product can compete with acoustic panel on the outside market. The characteristic of light and soft acoustic panel meet the criteria of acoustic panels suitable for use by the community. In addition, the price of acoustic panel made of coconut fiber and mineral wool is cheaper and support the sustainable development goals. Nevertheless, this study suggests that future study can look at the resistance of this panel to insect attacks or to the fire resistance. Okay, so this is the reference that I've been using in this research study, and that's all for my sharing today. Thank you for listening.